Hello guys, welcome back para sa panibago na naman nating math tutorial video. So yung topic natin yun is long division and synthetic division. Okay? So example tayo. For example number 1, x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x plus 3 divided by x plus 1. So i-divide natin siya gamit yung long division and synthetic division. So yung long division is, ito yung tinuro sa inyo nung grade 7 kayo sa division of polynomials. Okay? So, review lang natin, no? So, ganito lang yung ginagawa natin pag long division. X plus 1 divided by x cubed plus 3x squared plus 5x plus 3. Okay? So, first step lang natin, divide lang natin tong mga leading term. X cubed divided by x, that is x squared. So, lagay natin siya dito, x squared. Yan, multiply natin siya dito. X squared times x, x cubed. X squared times 1, that is x squared. Okay? And then, minus natin siya. X cubed minus x cubed, 0 na. 0. Then 3x squared minus x squared, 2x squared na lang. Okay? And then, bring down lang natin to. So, plus 5x. Then, divide ulit natin yung mga leading term. So, 2x squared divided by x, 2x na lang. So, lagay natin siya dito again, 2x. So, 2x times x, that is 2x squared. Then, 2x times 1, 2x na lang. Okay? Again, subtract ulit natin. So, 2x squared minus 2x squared, 0 na. 5x minus 2x, that is 3x. Then, bring down ulit. And then, divide na naman natin yung leading term. So, 3x divided by x, that is 3. So, lagay ulit natin dito si 3. Then, multiply ulit. 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times 1, that is 3. And then, subtract ulit natin. So, 3x plus 3 minus 3x plus 3, magiging 0. Okay. So, ito na yung quotient natin. Okay? Long division. So, yung synthetic division naman is, shortcut siya. Mas mabilis siya. So, ganito yung ginagawa natin. So, first, equate muna natin sa 0 tong divisor natin. So, x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then, transpose natin yung 1, magiging negative. So, x is equal to negative. Then, lalagay natin siya dito. Negative 1. And then, yung mga numbers dito, ilalagay natin siya dito. Okay? So, dito, dahil wala siyang nakalagay na number, automatic na 1 yan. Then, 3. Then, 5. And then, yung constant na 3. Okay? Now, bago mo ilagay itong mga number dito, dapat, yung polynomial, naka-arrange siya in descending order. Ibig sabihin, nauna dapat yung may highest exponent, and then yung next na may lower exponent, and so on. Okay, hanggang sa yung constant. Okay, ganun dapat yung pagkaka-arrange na bago mo ilagay yung mga number. Okay? And then, next step niyan, bring down mo tong pinakaunang number. So, bring down lang siya, 1. And then, multiply mo siya dito. Negative 1 times 1, that is negative 1. So, ilalagay mo siya dito. Okay? And then, combine. So, 3 minus 1, that's 2. And then, multiply ulit. Negative 1 times 2, negative 2. Lagay ulit natin siya dito. Okay, ganun lang yung process niya. And then, combine ulit natin. 5 minus 2, that is 3. Then, multiply ulit natin. Negative 1 times 3, magiging negative 3. Then, 3 minus 3, that is 0. Okay. So, itong mga number na to, lalagyan lang natin siya ng x. Okay? So, i-divide mo lang to. Yung leading coefficient. So, x cubed divided by x, that is x squared. Or, subtract mo lang yung exponent. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, x to the 2. So, lagyan lang natin to ng x squared na 1. So, that is 1x squared. Then, positive siya, plus 2x. So, pababa lang ng pababa yung exponent ng x. So, x squared, x na lang. And then dito, wala na tayong x. Plus 3. Okay? So, itong number na to, na 0, is yung remainder natin. So, dahil 0 siya, wala tayong remainder. Okay? So, ito na yung quotient natin. Okay? Synthetic division. So, pwede na natin tanggalin tong 1. Kasi 1 lang naman siya, kahit di na natin sulat. So, makikita nyo, same yung nakuha nating sagot. Okay? Sa long division and synthetic division.